Noswaith dda pawb a chroeso mawr I chi gyd i'r Noson Agored rithiol.
Good evening everyone and welcome to our virtual open evening. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and that it gives you a taste of what a wonderful school Ysgol Llanfyllin is.
Mi fydd 2022 yn flwyddyn y byddwch chi'n ei chofio am byth. Dyma'r flwyddyn pen fyddwch chi'n gadael addysg gynradd a dechrau ar eich addysg uwchradd yn ysgol pob oed Llanfyllin. Dyma ddechrau antur fawr a heno ydy'r cam gyntaf. Felly, ysteddwch yn ôl am ychydig o funudau a gadewch I ni roi cyflwyniad byr I chi i'n ysgol newydd.
As from September next year, you'll be part of a bilingual school. So what expectations do you have? Here, at Llanfyllin, we always put the needs of the learner first. We have a strong pastoral and academic system. When you start here, you'll be part of a tutor group who you will meet with as well as your tutor every day. Here, you'll be able to discuss issues that you may not always have the chance to in your other lessons. In tutor, you'll also have assemblies on a whole variety of themes with the rest of your year group. The most recent Eston report on our secondary phase said, the pastoral care in the school is outstanding. And we are a nurturing and inclusive caring community.
Pan gyrhaeddwch chi'r ysgol, fe fyddwch chi'n treulio amser gyda'ch tiwtor ac yna fe fyddwch chi'n cael 6 gwers o 50 munud. Bydd rhain yn cael eu trefnu fel bod chi'n cael egwyl bore ac amser cinio sy'n rhoi cyfle I chi fynd i'r toilet, cael rhywbeth I fita ac I gymdeithasu gyda'ch ffrindiau. Ym mhob gwers mae'r athrawon yn gosod nodau clir a rydyn ni'n disgwyl I disgyblion gymryd rhan gweithredol yn ein dysgu I hunan. Fe fyddwch chi'n cael llawer o gyfleoedd yn ystod y gwersi ac yn eich cartrefi I wella'ch gwaith yn barhaus ar sail yr adborth a gewch chi oddi wrth eich athrawon. Mae hyn yn golygu gallwch chi fod y gorau y gallwch chi fod a chyflawni'ch potensial ar ddiwedd pob blwyddyn. Rydyn ni hefyd yn ystyried ar ddulliau dysgu gwahanol ac yn teilwra'r gwersi I weddi eich anghenion unigol chi drwy wahaniaethu a dulliau gwahanol o fynd ati.
Throughout the recent lockdown, we successfully enabled education online via Microsoft Teams. Every class in the school has an online team, so you're able to keep up with your learning whether you are physically in school or not. We are very proud of the range of subjects we can offer pupils at Key Stage 3, 4 and 5. In Year 7, your learning will be divided into areas of learning and experience. These are communication, humanities, mathematics, science and technology, expressive arts, and health and well-being. Spiritual and moral aspects of the pupil's experience are well developed through the Wellbeing programme. The new curriculum for Wales is being introduced in a phased way to prepare the school for the official launch in September 2023. And as new Year 7 pupils, you will benefit greatly from this.
Mae ABF yn rhan o'ch amserlen wythnosol a fe fyddwch chi'n cael gwahanol siaradwyr I siarad efo chi am faterion amrywiol iawn fel diogelwch ar y rhyngrwyd. Mae hybu datblygiad moesol, cymdeithasol a diwylliannol disgyblion yn faes rydyn ni'n ymbalchio'n fawr ynddo.
Mrs. Rhiannon Molyneux is our Additional Learning Needs Coordinator. She manages a team of very experienced learning support assistants who cover a whole range of needs in order for your child to overcome any barriers they may have. We strongly believe at Llanfyllin that every single child is important and everyone will need different kinds of support in order to achieve their potential.
Un ardal rydyn ni'n arbennig o falch ohono ydy'r ganolfan deulu. Sefydlwyd y ganolfan ym mis Medi 2020 ac mae'n ardal llwyddiannus iawn sy'n cynnig cefnogaeth bugeiliol. Mae'n unigryw I Llanfyllin a fe fydd yn destun cenfigen mewn llawer o ysgolion eraill. Gallwch ddod o hyd i'r ganolfan deulu o fewn yr adran anghenion dysgu ychwanegol. Mrs Fiona Buckley sy'n cydlynu'r gwasanaeth. Mae profiad helaeth gan Fiona o weithio gyda phobl ifanc ac mae hi'n adolygu a diweddaru dysgu ei hun yn barhaus mwyn gallu deillio a heriau sy'n wynebu ni heddiw. Fel iechyd meddwl a phwysau oddi wrth y cyfryngau cymdeithasol. Mae Fiona ar gael yn ystod amser egwyl ac amser cinio I gynnig cyngor, cefnogaeth a chyfarwyddydd ar gyfer bob plentyn yn yr ysgol. Gall rhieni gysylltu â Fiona'n uniongyrchol hefyd am gyngor dros y ffôn neu drwy e-bost.
Fiona also coordinates the work of outside agencies who may be working with our pupils. If pupils feel unwell during the school day, they can report to the school reception where there will be staff on hand to help and support. Some pupils may have short or long-term medical needs and they'll be supported by their own healthcare plan. Medication can be kept securely and a quiet place is available for time out or administering of medication if necessary. Pupil guidance and mentoring is a real strength of the school. Your teachers will input data about you regularly throughout the year, and directors of learning and progress managers will review this in relation to your MEGs or minimum expected grades. If necessary, intervention can be put in place so you do not underachieve. Pupil mentoring can happen in registration or at some stage throughout the day, and depending on the nature of the intervention, it could be with a learning support assistant, teacher, or a sixth form peer mentor.
Yn Llanfyllin, rydyn ni'n ymfalchio ein bod yn annog ac yn ymestyn ein disgyblion mwy abal a thalentog. Mae llawer o'n disgyblion yn fwy abal a thalentog naill llai mewn un maes neu nifer. Gallwch fod yn dawel eich meddwl bod gwahaniaethu'n digwydd mewn gwersi a gweithgareddau allgyrsiol, lle bod angen fel cwmni theatr, cymdeithas eco, llais y teulu ac amrywiaeth o glwbiau chwaraeon a'r clwb gwyddoniaeth, lle mae disgyblion yn cael y cyfle i weithio tu hwnt i'r cwricwlwm.
One of the core aims of the school is to make sure students leave us with excellent examination results. This year was obviously unusual due to the coronavirus, with no pupils being able to sit their final examinations. However, pupils were able to reach their full potential through being awarded their centre-determined grades. This allowed over 60 Year 12 pupils to access our sixth form to study A-levels and other Level 3 qualifications in our new Canolfan Chweched.
Mae'n chweched dosbarth yn parhau duedd hon i lwyddion academaidd. Gyda 129 o ddisgyblion, mae'n chweched dosbarth yn un o'r rhai mwyaf ym Mhywys. Wedi ei leoli yn y ganolfan chweched ac mae'r ysgol yn parhau i gyflawni canlyniadau sy'n greu argraff. Mae bron pob un o disgyblion yn cyflawni canlyniadau sydd ei angen arnyn nhw i fynd ymlaen i prifysgol dewis cyntaf, gyda nifer yn mynd i'w dewis o grŵp Russell. Cyflawnir y canlyniadau hyn oherwydd y sylfaeni cadarn sydd wedi gosod ym mlynyddoedd 7, 8 a 9 yng nghyfnod allweddol 3, lle yn hanesyddol mae canlyniadau ni cryn dipyn yn uwch na Fywys a Chymru. Mae adrodd ar gynnydd disgyblion i chi y rhieni'n rhan hanfodol o unrhyw flwyddyn ysgol. Gallwch ddisgwyl cael 2 adroddiad interim yn ystod y flwyddyn ac adroddiad ysgrifenedig llawn unwaith y flwyddyn. Bydd hyn yn cynnwys yr holl bethau positif ynghyd â'ch plentyn a'i gynnydd, ond hefyd adran ar sut y gall eich plentyn wella neu barhau wella. Bydd yna hefyd noson rieni a gynhelir fel arfer o gwmpas mis Tachwedd. Mae hyn yn rhoi cyfle i chi gyfarfod eich athrawon eich plentyn yn cymharol gynnar yn y flwyddyn, ond hefyd yn rhoi cyfle iddyn nhw fod wedi setlon yn yr ysgol.
At Llanfyllin, we pride ourselves on the range of extracurricular activities we offer. As mentioned previously, the PE department run a sports club every lunchtime, which includes football, rugby, hockey, athletics, and many more sports. We're also very fortunate to have a climbing wall and our own mountain bike track. Our Power School Development Officer will make sure you have opportunities to experience new sports and activities throughout the school term. We have a really successful annual sports day where you have the chance to represent your team in our fantastic grounds.
Mae gennym ni adran ddrama fywiog iawn a chlwb drama poblogaidd. Mae nhw wedi cyflwyno nifer o gynhyrchiadau ffantastig dros y blynyddoedd diwethaf gan gynnwys ein cynhyrchiad anhygoel Cofiwch Fi. O ran cerddoriaeth, mae gennym ni wersi offerynnol a chanu unigol ac mae yna groeso i'ch efenteisio arnyn nhw. Mae gennym ni hefyd gôr ysgol sy'n canu mewn digwyddiadau yn yr ysgol ac yn y gymuned leol, a maen nhw bob amser yn edrych fel bod nhw'n mwynhau eu hunan. Mae gennym ni eisteddfod ysgol bob blwyddyn y fydd pawb yn cael ei rannu i tai tanant Efyrnwy y Cain. Y fyddwch chi'n cynrychioli eich grŵp, tiwtor a'ch tŷ ac yn cael cyfle i gymryd rhan mewn llawer o gystadlaethau gwahanol, fel canu a dawnsio disgo.
In ordinary times, we run a number of extracurricular trips. These include an annual art trip to London. The art and photography team make use of the natural beauty around us and have visited Bodfach to catch an autumn at its finest. Pupils have also attended a series of workshops at the Oriel Art Gallery in Newtown. There is a biannual trip to America for sixth formers and a yearly European ski trip.
Mae'r trip poblogaidd i Eisteddfod Rhyngwladol Llangollen yn un o hoff dripiau'r disgyblion i gyd. Mae'r disgyblion yn cael profi a dathlu dawns a cherddoriaeth o'r draws y byd. Mae myfyrwyr bob amser yn dod nôl o'r wyl yn llawn brwdfrydedd a gyda gwell werthfawrogiad a dealltwriaeth o ddiwylliannau cerddorol y byd.
We hope to resume these trips as soon as we possibly can. We apologise you are not able to visit the school in person this year. We will be hosting a series of webinars where you'll be able to ask questions. We also encourage you to contact the school if you would like to speak to us regarding any personal questions or queries that you might have.
Dwi'n siŵr y gnewch chi gytuno ein bod yn ysgol ddwyieithog grosawgar a chynas sy'n edrysau bob amser ar agor i fod yn rhan ganolog o'r gymuned. Rydyn ni'n annog ymddygiad ardderchog gyda ysbryd cymunedol cryf, athrawon gyfalgar ac yn pwysicach na dim, plant hapus sydd ar cyfleoedd i gyflawni y potensial o fewn a thu hwnt i'r dosbarth.
Finally, we're incredibly pleased to announce that as part of the transformation of education in Powys, Ysgol Llanfyllin are in line to have a new school building. This hopefully means that pupils joining us in 2022 will be involved in helping us design the new community campus. What an amazing project to be involved in. We look forward to hearing all your ideas for our brand new state-of-the-art school. It is lovely to speak to you all, and we very much look forward to seeing you next September. Thank you so much for listening.
Diolch yn fawr iawn am rando mor astyd.